Hello, my name is Peter Stott of LC Automation, and we're putting together some short video for you to show how IAI Linear Actuators might be used to effectively replace pneumatics in industry. So, to see how they operate, what we've got here is a demo case, and attached to this is 3 different types of cylinder. We've got the short miniature single guided rod, and we can drive that backwards and forwards as described before. 24-volt signal go forward, confirmation signal that it is forward, 24-volt signal reverse, confirmation it is reverse. There's also a mini table type unit, a familiar construction type you may have in your pneumatic system. And we've got a rodless cylinder, in this case 400mm stroke. Operation is exactly the same. The difference being, of course, we have the ability to change the actual stroke length within this cylinder. We have the ability to change the speed and the acceleration. So we can have it moving forward at one speed, we can have it moving backwards at another, and we can change the stroke lengths in their entirety through anywhere within the 0 to 400mm range.